If you think excavators are just big ordinary machines, this list is going to blow your mind. From giant beasts weighing nearly 1,000 tons with massive buckets that can fill a mining truck in just a few passes, to unique hybrid and electric technologies from the world's top 5 excavator brands. The further we go, the more mind-blowing and unique these machines become. If you love truly massive machines and unique technologies, hit follow right now, because the further we go down this list, the more impressive the size and uniqueness will become. The Volvo EC95EF is Volvo's largest excavator, standing out with its modern European design, an extremely spacious and comfortable cabin, and finely tuned hydraulics that deliver smooth and effortless operation. What makes it special is Volvo's human-centered philosophy. They've optimized vibration and noise reduction while adding smart safety features, allowing operators to work longer without fatigue. This machine is perfect for large-scale projects that demand high standards of comfort and consistent performance. The Hitachi EX8000 is one of Hitachi's largest mining excavators, famous for its precise and powerful Trias-III hydraulic system. What makes it unique is its ability to operate smoothly and efficiently despite its massive size, combined with excellent reliability in harsh environments. The machine is engineered to maximize digging force and cycle speed, significantly boosting productivity in open-pit mines. It represents the precision and durability of Japanese engineering on a gigantic scale. The Komatsu
Thank you for watching
PC9000
this
is one
video.
of
I
Komatsu's
hope you enjoyed
largest
it and learned something
excavators,
new.
equipped
See you
with
next time.
advanced smart construction and intelligent machine control technology. What makes it special is the combination of enormous size with smart automation that assists precise digging, reduces errors, and increases productivity. The machine performs efficiently in large-scale mining operations with remote monitoring and optimized performance. It proves that being huge doesn't mean being primitive. Komatsu has brought intelligent technology to a whole new level. If you're still having trouble deciding which machine is the most unique and impressive, drop your ranking in the comments right now. Because from number 4 onwards, we're entering the territory of true mechanical monsters. The Liebherr R9800 is one of the world's largest hydraulic excavators, with an operating weight of up to 810 tons and a bucket capacity of up to 42 cubic meters. What makes it extremely unique is its dual engine setup, delivering around 4,000 horsepower, providing incredible power and the ability to work continuously at an astonishing level. The machine can be configured as either a backhoe or face shovel, making it ideal for massive open-pit mining operations. It is a true symbol of German engineering, powerful, precise, and built to conquer the harshest conditions. The Caterpillar 6090FS is considered one of the world's largest hydraulic excavators, weighing over 1,000 tons with up to 4,500 horsepower. What makes it unique is its front shovel configuration, which allows it to load material with extreme speed and force, often filling a large mining truck in just 3 to 4 passes. Built specifically for massive open-pit mines, it delivers record-breaking productivity. It embodies raw American power, huge, mighty, and born to move thousands of tons of material every hour.
Thank you for
Komatsu's
watching
HB
this video.
series hybrid
I hope you enjoyed it
excavators
and learned something
combine
new.
diesel engines
See you
with
next time.
electric hybrid technology, delivering significant fuel savings and lower emissions. What makes this unique is that Komatsu has brought hybrid technology to larger machines while maintaining its signature strength and durability, along with intelligent machine control integration. It offers powerful performance with a more environmentally friendly footprint, a distinctive choice for projects that want high output while caring about sustainability. The electric drive version of the Liebherr R9800 is extremely fascinating because the machine keeps its massive size and power, but runs on electric motors instead of full diesel. This significantly reduces emissions and noise at mining sites while still maintaining high productivity. It represents the future direction of heavy machinery, powerful yet more sustainable. This machine showcases Liebherr's commitment to combining gigantic scale with green technology. Out of the 7 unique machines today, which one impressed you the most? And what would you like to see next? Top giant dozers, mini excavators, or other ultra-heavy mining machines? Drop your suggestions in the comments and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future videos about the strongest, largest, and most unique machines in the world.